Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this Realme C31 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can set the screen timeout on this device to never. Let me open up the settings real quick, go to the display, and as you will see in here, in the screen timeout category, the maximum value that we can set is 30 minutes. So in order to make it never, we'll need to use the help of the third-party app called Caffeine. So just type in Caffeine to the search bar of your Play Store, look for this particular app, tap on install, wait for the app to get downloaded and installed respectively. As you can see, it will not take a lot of time. Now all that it's left to do is to open it and choose the infinite value, the infinite variant at the timeout setting on this app. And as long as this app is active and running, the screen timeout on your Realme C31 is set to never. So that was it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!